Hello friends, this is Umesh Aruna from CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we will create this solid part. And here we have two views, one is top view and one front view. And in this 3D view I have shown you the complete 3D model and one section view, so that the inside portion will be visible to you. So let's start with the annex, and before starting please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start with the sketcher. So select the sketch and click OK, and I'm going to create this top view. So first of all, start with a rectangle, and I'm selecting this center rectangle. Now make equal constraint to make this line equal. So now this is a perfect circle, perfect square, and draw two arc. Now define the radius, and the radius is 80, and same here 80, and close. Now I am using this mirror curve, so I want to mirror this about this horizontal axis, apply, and again this about this center line, and okay. So this is the sketch, and some dimension are still remaining, so I'm assigning this 27. So click this rapid dimension, and from this to this point it is 27. Okay, now see the dimension, the sketch is automatically adjust, and here from this to this point this is also 27, which is 27. It is not 27 exactly here, so let's see why it is. The sketch is fully constrained, and see, okay, I am going to delete this, and again I am selecting midpoint and the line and the dimension as 27. Okay, and close. Now select this and make it as construction line, and here I'm going to create this circle. So click and one circle for this outer, and a hexagon for that hexagon. First dimension it, double click. This outer is 30 diameter, so change it to 30. And for another circle, just draw a polygon inside this, switch on this, and it will come at quadrant. Now the dimension of this polygon is 20 side to side, and close. Okay, the circle and point both will coincident. Okay, and this is my reference, so select and reference, convert into reference. So my first step is complete. Now finish it, and I'm going to extrude this outer, which is at 10. So 10, in reverse direction apply, and again this circle. See, first step and second step. So first step is for this rib, and second step is for this cylindrical hole. So second step is 15. So 15 minus 10 is 5. So enter 5 and select this circle. Unite and apply, and change it to wireframe, and my sketch is this, and this is from bottom it is 15. No, it is up to this, okay, which is 22. 22 minus 10 is 12, so change it to 12, and unite and okay, and change the shading mode. See, okay. Now I think I have missed some dimension, so again check it. This first dimension is 10, okay, and second this one, which is, this is not my dimension, okay, my dimension is 22, 22, 12. So 22 minus 10 is 12. So see, apply, and this third value double click, which is up to 36. 36 minus 10 is 26, so change it to 26 and okay. So my first step is for this 10 mm, and again second is 15. See, 15 is this length, okay, and this 22 is up to this, and this is 36, and still we have one more circle over this top face. So select and click. So select this circle, and the circle is at the same point, and here we have two circle. So I'm creating two circle. My first circle is OD is 20 is 16, so 16 is my OD, and ID is 12, and close and finish. And this time I'm just extruding the outer one, so select this outer circle, and the distance is 36 minus 48 is 12, so 12 and okay, it will hide. So first step is complete. If you want to hide all the sketches, and here I have to apply the fillet, which is at 4 radius. So 4 is the radius. Now click all the edges and okay, okay. Now for this I am selecting the same plane, which is my upper face, and here I am creating a circle up to this, and again one more circle up to this, and here draw one line and click, and now go to offset, and I want to apply offset, symmetrical offset, and the gap is 8, so offset will 4, and select the line and convert the input curve as a reference and click OK. Okay, now just trim this inner one. Okay, it is coming like this, so undo it, and okay, I am not deleting this, just select and delete this and delete and okay and finish, and just extrude it. So extrude region boundary, my first region is this and second region is this, and the thickness of this is 15, means 5, so select this 5 only, and unite and apply and cancel. Okay, now we have to create one fillet over it and one hole, and the hole is M5, so hole and M5.8 pitch, click, and this is through body hole, and no, and disable this chamfer, and here fillet, and the radius of fillet is 1, assign this and okay. Now it is in 4 places, so I'm selecting this whole extrude and blend. Now pattern as a circular pattern, so my axis is this, and number of item as 4, and why the hole is not here, orientation same as input, it is not, so it must be follow the pattern, follow face, and my face is this. Now Let's see the result. So follow pattern and preview. Hole is still remain. Okay, so I am going to select this. The hole is already selected. Still no problem, just remove this hole and okay. One more time I'm selecting the same and axis vector and okay. Okay, this time it is coming properly. So this is the hole. It is not matching properly. See, okay, here it is. So I think we have some problem with my first sketch. So I have fixed this sketch. Okay, now dimensions are properly. Okay, just finish it. This hole I will create this hole later. And next I'm going to create this side rib. For that I'm going to select this plane and start with this, draw a line and up to here. Now select this and this axis, make them constant and define this value which is 37.5. Close and now define this angle. It is not given here but I am taking as 51. Now close and use this line as a construction line and finish. Okay, so now I'm extruding this line, so select extrude and see it is not at the properly placed because the corner is coming here. So delete this and select the face where you will get a flat surface. Okay, here it is not, or rotate it. See this here. Now this is my working plane and click. Okay, orient the view, click. The same thing I'm doing one more time, click, drag and up to here, and the dimension is 37.5 and angle is 51, and make this point constant with this vertical axis and make it construction line. Finish. Now I'm going to extrude this line, select this line and it is going here. So select this to symmetric value and this distance or this value is 4 radius. So select 4, so 8 will come, and here in thickness just flip, it will go inside and this will come. Okay, unite it. Okay, and for this I have to cut this, so select this, trim. I want to trim this about the face. No, this is not the properly placed, so a new plane and the plane will come on this and click. Okay, add this sketch and select edge blend and the fillet is 4 millimeter. Okay, and again fillet 1, apply and close. Again here we have one fillet. Okay, this all is done. So we have to create now over this face. For that to shape, for this shape I'm going to create this, and my reference plane is this, and orient the view. No, let it go down so it will come like this. See, so here we have, draw a circle and the radius is 6. So 12 will be the diameter. It is at 15 minus 1 14. From the bottom this value is 14, and align vertically, and for the lines draw a line, and here line according to here. Now use trim and trim, value is 14, close. Okay, my sketch is now okay, just finish it and extrude up to this. So we have to create one surface which is offset surface. So this is body face, don't select this body face. It's offset surface and single surface, this is my single surface with zero offset, and okay. Now mm, use extend surface. So this is surface I'm extending. Okay, change this to wireframe and extrude the shape up to selected surface. Why it is not going? Let's see. So this is the surface, and if we hide this, okay, two surfaces there. So I am joining this with sew. Sew will combine both. Okay, hide this, it is hiding. Show and extrude this to selected, none, or okay, or right click and show. I'm uniting with this. Okay, hide this because it is in curve shape, that's why we have to use this option. Now here we have some extra portion, see this. Okay, for that select the same plane and reference, okay, and draw a circle. This is the circle, and dimension it. 10 is the OD and 7 is the ID. So change it to 7, close, finish, and extrude this, and extrude up to 35 from the center. So 35 is the length. Unite and okay, and show in sketch. Okay, and see, I think everything is complete except this two holes. So first in wireframe, extrude, select this circle and subtract, apply, and we need two circle here, है ना? Okay, so double click over this and draw one more circle which is 10 in diameter, and this we have extrude this, this one, double click and change this to this one. Okay, now again extrude. So what happens, see, this bigger circle is extruded and small circle will subtract from the body. So again select extrude and click, and don't go beyond this, and 0, subtract, and okay, and in shading. Okay, for threading I'm using thread option. So here in insert, in design feature, this is thread, and detail I'm selecting over this, and pitch, and apply. Okay, select the start where you want to start from, click OK, and we have the symbolic and detail, and pitch angle by default it is 2, so apply. Okay, wait and refresh. One more time I'm selecting this, and I'm selecting this time the default value I'm selecting, apply, and the same here I'm doing. The threading will come. Okay, or we can create this threading with the help of helix command, and here we have to cut this bottom face, so select and select the offset. So we have the offset and my connected curve. No, this will not work. Or just show this, show. Okay, reset in wireframe. First show, and now I want to offset this outer curve, and the offset I'm selecting as 2, which will be inside. Apply, and same for this circle. Okay, now trim. I don't need these things, so delete. And finish. In shading mode, extrude these all curve, and in reverse direction it is basically 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, so 8. Cut it 8 in reverse direction, subtract. Okay, and see the result. Hide sketch, hide sketch, this sketch, again one more sketch, and some fillets and all remaining. So click one, one. So this is my assembly. So hope you understand this how to create. I've tried the simplest method or shortest way to create this. So thank you for watching.